Hi, and welcome to Evil Genius Mum and two of the Evil Genius spawnlings opening up their new package from Chemistry in Action. Go for it, Nefarious. Open it up and show us what's inside.
Yeah. We actually haven't seen what's inside yet, so it's also a surprise for us. No, so
Okay.
Yep, we're sharing in the awesomeness.
Alright.
Can I write down things?
Not just yet, you can come over and have a look. How's that sound? Ooh, there's lots of goodies in here.
We have some sodium bicarbonate.
Sodium bicarbonate.
Bicarbonate.
What's that for?
I don't know.
Oh, that's
got
good.
some enough.
Well, let's see what else is in here. Have some molds. A balloon.
Ooh. There's always a balloon in the science kit that comes on.
Oh, what's that?
Awesome.
Goggles.
I want to see how these
Okay.
feel.
Some vinegar.
Vinegar plus sodium bicarbonate equals
All right,
right.
Okay, what's this one?
Chemical reactions. Ooh, a volcano.
Are you making a
Some
volcano?
pH test paper.
And plastic.
And another balloon.
Milk.
Right.
Let's get these goggles on.
Okay, so we're going to set all this up and we'll get back to you soon. Let's get sciencing.